In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a histogram in Google Sheets. Whether you're analyzing data for a project or just trying to impress your colleagues with insightful visuals, creating a histogram can clearly show the distribution of your data points. Let's get started. First things first, open up your Google Sheets document where you've got all that data laid out. You'll want to select the entire set of data that you intend to visualize. So, click and drag your mouse over all the relevant cells. Make sure you've got everything you need because this selection forms the basis of your histogram. Once your data is selected, direct your attention to the top of the Google Sheets interface. You'll see a menu bar with various options. Click on Insert to open a drop-down menu, which will present you with several choices. Here, you'll want to navigate and click on Chart. This action will prompt Google Sheets to generate a chart for you, and it often automatically provides a suggestion that closely matches your data type. Now, sometimes Google Sheets may be spot on and instantly provide you with a histogram, but there are instances where it might not happen. If it deviates and suggests a different chart type, don't worry, you can easily change it back. Over on the right side of your screen, you'll notice a chart editor under which there's a setup panel. It's here where you can modify and tailor the chart to your needs. Within this panel, you'll find the Chart Type drop-down menu. Go ahead and click that drop-down arrow, and you'll see a wide selection of potential chart types. Scroll through this list until you spot the histogram option. Click on it, and voila! Your histogram will appear, reflecting your data's distribution as intended. Now that the histogram is in place, it's time to move over to the Customize tab within the chart editor. This tab allows you to tailor your histogram to suit your presentation needs better. Whether it's adjusting the colors, changing the font, or tweaking the grid lines for clarity, the customization options are all there for you to utilize. And just like that, you've successfully generated a histogram in Google Sheets. By following these straightforward steps, you can not only create a compelling visual representation of your dataset, but also refine it to communicate your insights effectively. I hope you found this guide helpful. And next time you're working with data in Google Sheets, don't hesitate to call upon these steps to enhance your analysis. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful guides.